Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You probably weren't expecting me to come out from that angle, but yes, I did. And here we are with this beautiful view of Mabari. I'm in such a beautiful and echoey room, so you're gonna have to deal with that, but it's okay because I'm gonna be kind of quiet for most of the session. Because I didn't bring my tripod, and I didn't expect to record a video, but I'm not gonna let that stop me because I need to get some work done, and I want you guys to see me doing maths because why not? So yeah, I need to put my phone somewhere, and I need to find out what I'm gonna balance it with because normally I do it with my bottle, but like I want to drink during my revision session because you need to stay hydrated. So I'm gonna find something to. Like, last time I tried to use bananas to hold my pen, but like they're not heavy enough. I can use my school books. Yeah, that is a good idea. Well done for thinking of that. I have a lot of school books, by the way. Like a lot of them. Okay, what can I use to like hold it then? Okay, so first I have my pencil case. I need to take out my pen, my marking pen, and a ruler. And I think that should be it. Okay, so now I should be able to use my pencil case and my books to hold my pen in place. Hopefully. No, yeah, no. Also, I forgot to flip the camera, so you're gonna see the inverted questions once again. But I guess you just gotta have to deal with that. Okay, so, ew, that's disgusting. So much rubbish here. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, I have until Asr, which is literally like 55 minutes from now. So let's say I have 50 minutes to do as much work as I can in this time frame. Okay, so I printed all my homework because it's currently a 1 week holiday. Dude, the echo is really annoying. It's currently a 1 week school holiday, and I had loads of work to do that I was just like avoiding because of university applications, which I should have done over the half-term holiday. And now it's Sunday, so school is tomorrow, and I've left it all until today because, yeah, I'm not sure to be honest. I need to rest. That's why. So yeah, I have this AS paper which should be able to be done in like half an hour or so. I have sequences and series, which is going to be really fun. But I think the AS paper is probably the easiest, so I'll do that first maybe. And also it'll probably apply to you guys because, like, you know, it's a past paper, so it'll be useful for you. Okay, then I have further calculus homework, which I have not revised for. Integration, let's look at this. That should be fine, hopefully. And then integration 2, that's trapezium rule. That should be not too bad, okay. Okay, let's get started on the AS paper. I think that should be doable in this time frame we have. Also, we should be doing in time conditions. So I'm supposed to have 90 minutes for this, but it was before the previous, like, because they updated the curriculum, so this paper is actually non-calculator. Wait, so I shouldn't use a calculator for it, should I? No, I shouldn't. Right, let's go, let's get started. First question, integrate this. Okay. So to integrate, I'm just turning that square root into x to the power of 1 over 2 because that just makes it easier. Integrate, you increase the power by 1 and divide by that power. x5 minus. So 4 over root x is the same as 4x to the power of minus a half. Dx. Now we can actually start integrating this. Okay, let's go. 2. Oh, wait a second. You know, a calculator would be helpful, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Okay, I just integrated it. Alright, let me just rewrite it to make it clearer. My writing is so bad right now, I don't know why. Don't forget the plus C when you're integrating. Integration constant. There's my final answer. Next question, that was 4 marks. Express 9 to the power 3x plus 1 in the form 3 to the y. Should be light work. That's easy. Okay. Oh, it's a 2 mark question, that's why. 3x plus 1. So you can write 9 as 3 to the power of 2, and then you just use index multiplication. So when they're to the power of each other, you just do 3, and you just do the 2 times whatever that is. So it's 3 to the power of 6x plus 2, and that's it. Simplify. Simplify root 50, take away root 18. Okay. Why is there no... That's weird, man. That's weird. Look, there's 2 questions, but there's no line here, and there's only lines here. So, whatever. Root 50 is the same as root 25 times root 2, and then root 18 is the same as root 9 times root 2, which is the same as 3 root 2, take away... No, 5 root 2, take away 3 root 2, which is the same as 2 root 2. Okay, hence simplify this. So that's 12 root 3 over 2 root 2, which is the same as 6 root 3 over root 2. Then you can turn that into a square root again. So that's root 36 times root 3 all over root 2, which is 6, which is, what's 36 times 3? 90 plus 18, 108. Root 108 all over root 2, and then you can do root 108 over 2, which is root 54. And what's the square root of 54? What goes into that? Just 9 goes into that, right? 9 times 6. Yeah, okay, so root 9 is just 3, and then 9 times 6, so 3 root 6. That should be the answer. Okay, next question. By the way, this is a question, you can pause the video or screenshot that. I'll probably go with the equation y equals f of x. Oh, by the way, this is a past paper. It's past paper. 18th of May 2016. So the summer 2016 AS paper 1, I think. On separate diagrams, sketch the curve with equation y equals 3 f of x. When you're doing a coefficient of f of x, you're just multiplying all those y values by that coefficient. So if you had a peak at 2 and you multiplied it by 3, the peak would be at 6 instead. So it's just extending, it's just like stretching everything on the y-axis by 3. On separate diagrams, how am I supposed to draw that role? Okay, sure. Okay, that's diagram number 1. Okay, and then the next one is y equals f of x minus 4. So the current, it crosses. Interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna just show you after. Interesting. Okay. Minus 2, 0, 0, minus 4. 3 minus 12. So, first one, just multiply the y coordinate by 3 for each one, because it's y equals 3 f of x. And then the second one, everything, all the y coordinates are being shifted down by 4. So, instead of, so this point, the peak, will actually be touching the x-axis, because here it's positive 4, here it's 0. And then here it crosses at the origin, but now it's 4 lower, so crosses, it has a y-intercept of minus 4. Same with the other peak too. Anyways, solve the simultaneous equations. Why is there a quadratic simultaneous equation, man? Okay, anyways, I'm gonna substitute y. So y equals minus 1 minus 4x. So this is a simultaneous equation we're trying to solve. So substitute that for y squared. So, you know when you square something and it's negative, it's the same as squaring all of that multiplied by minus 1. So that's actually 1 plus 4x. So y equals minus 1 minus 4x, or it could also equal minus 1 plus 4x. So I'm just going to substitute that because we're doing squared. 1 plus 4x squared plus 5x squared plus 2x equals 7. I had someone comment on my video today. And they commented, can you please teach me? Bro, you would not want me to teach you, bro. I don't know who thinks I would be a good teacher, man. I can imagine someone, so I have 21x squared plus 10x plus 1. That does not factorize, bro. Does not factorize, what? Actually does not factorize. Or maybe it does, I'm gonna use quadratic formula. X equals plus or minus, wait, no, it's x equals minus b. Oh, just write it down, bro. This is the problem with having no calculator. Anyways, minus b minus 10 plus or minus b squared 100 minus 4 times 21, 84. Right. 2a, 42. X equals minus 10 plus or minus 16 all over 42 equals minus 10 plus or minus 4 all over 42. That's just a weird number though. Okay, minus 10 minus 4 is minus 14 over 42, or minus 10 plus 4, which is minus 6 over 42. So what do they simplify to? Minus 7 over 21, which is minus 1 over 3, or minus 6 over 42, which is the same as minus 1 over 7. Okay, so we have x equals minus 1 over 3, and x equals minus 1 over 7, hopefully. And then we just need to substitute that in for y. So we know that y equals minus 1 minus 4x. So when we do x equals minus 1 over 3, we get y equals minus 1 minus 4 times minus 1 over 3, which is, well, it's actually minus 4 times. So it's actually plus 4 over 3, which is equal to 1 over 3. So when x equals minus 1 over 3, y equals 1 over 3. And when x equals minus 1 over 7, y equals minus 1 plus 4 over 7, which is minus 3 over 7. You know, I'm not entirely sure if we got that question right, but we'll find out later, hopefully, if I manage to do this in time. Okay, question 6. There's probably a lot of questions. A sequence, write down a quick, oh, nice, okay. So that's the question, if you want to pause the video. Okay, A, write down expressions for A2. So we have the formula for an plus 1. What is this actually called? It's the recurrence relations formula. So it relates the next term in the sequence to the previous term in the sequence. So that's what you can do from a starting term to work out the ones that go ahead of it. A2 equals 5 minus k times A1, which is just 4, equals 5 minus 4k. Okay, so we're writing it in terms of k, so we don't actually need to work out the constant this far. That means A3 equals 5 minus k and then 5 minus 4k inside the bracket, which is equal to 5 minus 5k plus 4k squared. There's my answer to A, which you can't understand because the videos are inverted. Okay, B, we're summing the values from 1, 2 to 3 for 1 plus AR. Okay, that should be fine. So, this is the same as you can split up these types of, that's called summation, I believe. You can split this up into separate ones. So you're doing the summation of from 1 to 3 for AR, and then the summation of 1 to 3 for the number 1. So guess what this is? You're adding 1. This is literally a sequence of 1, 1, 1, etc. And you're summing the first 3 terms for this one. So adding 1 plus 1 plus 1 from the terms 1, 2, and 3. From r equals 1 to the last term, which is in the place 3. 1, 2, 3. So if you add 1 3 times, you get a number of 3. So all we need to work out is this, and then we have the answer. Okay, so we can do that now. Equals 4 plus 5 minus 4k plus 5 minus 5k plus 4k squared. And then plus 3 at the end. Equals 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3. That's 10 plus 7, 17. Minus 4k, minus 9k plus 4k squared. Okay, that's our final answer. And then C. Now we're doing summation to 100. Now this, to be honest, I really don't know. And it's a 1 mark question. What is going on? I really don't know. Why is it 1 mark too? Okay, let's go through some examples then. So we have A1, A2, A3. So this is the problem here. So it's starting at r equals 1. So for the first term, we're doing A2 plus KA1. So this would be A2 plus KA1. And then the next one would be A3 plus KA2. You know, I'm not seeing the pattern here. I'm not seeing the pattern. Maybe because we can group that. 1 plus K plus A3. Bro, what? This is really strange. Nah, bro. Yeah, I really don't know. How much time do you have left? Okay. How do I not know? How do I not know this? What am I not seeing here? You know, I would call my friend right now, but like I'm using my phone to record this, so I can't call him and then record at the same time. I'm gonna take a banana as a break. It's literally one more question, bro. What am I not seeing? Oh my! I realize it now, and I feel so happy because I didn't have to look at the mark scheme or anything. Okay, I'm so excited to tell you guys. Okay, so you can see here the thing inside the brackets is a r plus 1 plus k a r. Here we have a n plus 1 equals 5 minus k a n. So if you just rearrange that, we get 5 equals what is in that bracket. So it's literally summation of 1 to 100 of the number 5. So 5 times 100 is 500. I don't know why I didn't see that, man. Also, how are you supposed to know that, bro? I don't know. Look at the next question is easy. It's 6 marks, but it's easy. It's literally just given that y equals that, and you just have to differentiate it. Light work, bro. Compared to that question that I just did. Do you remember what we have to do when you have square root of x and you're differentiating or integrating? You need to change it to a fractional exponential. Instead of leaving as root x, you do x to the power of a half. Makes everything easier. 2 is 3x. Okay, now can you differentiate it? I don't know why that's a 6 mark question. But I'm glad it is though. Alright, that's done. The straight line equation. Cool. We're doing discriminant. Okay, so we have the equation 3x minus 7 does not cross or touch the curve. Now what does that mean? That means we have no solutions. So we've got to substitute that in. The question is how we're going to substitute that in. We'll just do that. 3x minus 7 equals 2px squared minus 6px plus 4p. I just set them equal to each other. So I'm going to put them all on one side. So 2px squared minus 6px minus 3x plus 4p plus 7 equals 0. So I'm gonna make it cleaner. So I want to make the coefficients very, very clear and concise. So x squared with a coefficient of 2p minus 6 minus plus x with a coefficient of minus 6. No, plus x with a coefficient of minus 3 minus 6p, and then the constant is 4p plus 7 equals 0. So a equals 2p, b equals minus 3 minus 6p, c equals 4p plus 7. substitute this into b squared minus 4ac, which should be less than 0 because we want no solutions at all. So b squared is minus 3 minus 6p all squared minus 4 times 2p times 4p plus 7. It should be less than 0. This is a 4 more question, okay. 9, 3 times 6 times 2 is 36. How do I write that? Plus 36p plus 36 minus 8p, 4p plus 7. (32p squared minus 56p is less than 0. So that gives us 4p squared minus 20p plus 9 is less than 0, and that's what we're supposed to show, so that's 4 marks already. And then b is hence find the set of possible values, so literally just solving that quadratic, which means we have to use quadratic equation. X equals minus b, which is 20, plus or minus b squared, which is 400 minus 4ac. AC is 36, 4 times 36, which is 120 plus 36, 156, right? I hope so. I need to check that. 4 times 9 is 36, 36 times 4 is 120 plus 36. It should be 156. Alright, 2a is 8. Equals 20 plus or minus 400 take away 156 is 244. Now, I don't know what factor that comes out as. What is the square root of 244? What goes in there? 4 goes in there. Okay, we'll take that as a factor. 20 plus or minus, so we take 4 as a factor, which gives us 61. Okay. 61 inside. That doesn't go down anymore. It's probably not a integer solution. Oh well. Yeah, because root 61 does not give anything, bro. It really doesn't. Okay. Oh well. Since we have a positive quadratic, positive coefficient for p squared, that means if we have the, let me just draw this out. It's just gonna be like, it's just gonna go up like that. And then we want it to be less than 0, so we have the 2 roots here, and then we want the values between these. Does it want set notation? No, it just has set of possible values. So yeah, we want all the values of p between this root and that root. So to write that down, you can do p where p is smaller than the biggest root, which is 20 or 10 plus 4. And then to do or instead of and, or is just a U symbol, which is union, and then there's intersection, which is and, which is not what we want. Then p is bigger than the lowest value. And that should be our answer, hopefully. Okay, next question. On John's 10th birthday, he received... Okay, let me show you the question first. That is el question. Show that immediately after his 12th birthday, the total of these gifts was 225. The first gift was 60. Each subsequent birthday, the gift was 50 more than the year before. So we have a arithmetic sequence. And why is it an arithmetic sequence? Because we're starting with an initial value, and each term after that initial value is increasing by the same amount. And that is in the form of a plus d, a plus 2d, etc., where d is the common difference. So in this case, a equals 60, a is the initial value, the difference is 15. So show that immediately after his 12th birthday, the total of these gifts was 225. So the 12th term in the sequence, right? The first gift and the second gift. Okay, so on the 12th term should be a plus 11d, because we want 11 differences, which is 60 plus 11 times 15. I don't get a calculator. Well, I'm not supposed to anyway. 60 plus
150 plus 15 equals 210 plus 15, which is 225, and that's what we want. Okay. First question done. Second question. Find the amount that John received from his uncle as a birthday gift on his 18th birthday. So 18th term equals A plus 17D, which is 60 plus 17 times 15, which is 60 plus 150 plus, what's 7 times 15? 70 plus 35, which is 105, equals 210 plus 105 equals 315. That should be the value. And then C, find the total of these birthday gifts that John had received from his uncle up to. Oh, that's annoying. That's annoying. Okay. So we're doing summation, but instead of starting at the first term, we're starting at the 18th term. So the summation formula is the number of terms over 2, I think. Yeah, I hope so. Yeah, okay. N over 2, what's the number of terms? Up to, including its 21st. So it's starting from 18th and we're going to 21st. So the difference between them is 3, but the actual number of terms is 4. 18, 19, 20, 21. Yeah, so we have 4 over 2, which is 2, and then A plus L. The first term plus the last term. The first term is the 18th, so 315 plus the last term. The last term is 315 plus. Let's just calculate it separately. 21st term equals 60 plus 20 times 15, which is 60 plus 300, is it? Or 3,000? 300, okay. Equals 360. 315 plus 360, all multiplied by 2, is 2 times 675. Yeah, equals 2 times 675, 1,200 plus 150. 1350. Okay, that should be that question. When John had received n of these birthday gifts, the total money that he would receive from these gifts was 3375. Show that n squared plus 7n equals 25 times 18. Okay. 3375 equals n over 2, and then a is 60, and then the last term is 60 times. No, it's not 60 times. It's 60 plus n minus 1. Oh, what the things I have to do. Times d, which is 15. So multiply everything by 2, which is 750 equals n 120 plus n minus 115. What am I supposed to do now, man? I have to expand. We love expanding. Equals 120n plus 15n minus 15. 15n squared minus 15n. So we arrange that, we get 50. Bro, come on. How is that supposed to be rearranged to that? I see it now, sorry. 15n squared plus 105n equals 750. So divide by 15 on both sides, n squared plus, how many 15s go in 105? 7. 7n equals, what's 750 divided by 15, man? So let's divide by 5 first. 1,350. Then we have to divide by 25, so there's 4 of those in 100. So in 1300 there'll be 4 times 13, which is 52. 52 plus 2. Wait. Something's not working. Oh, yeah. And then you divide by 3. So 52 divided by 3 is not what I want it to be. No. I have to do bus stop division now. Okay, 6,750 divided by 5 is 1,3,2,5,0. Is 1,350, and then we need to divide that by 3 again to divide it by 15 fully. 1,4,1,5,0. So 450, and then we need to divide it by 25, which is 4, 16, 18. Okay, nice, we have our answer now. N squared plus 7n equals 25 times 18. Nice. Okay. Oh, still not the end. I don't even have enough paper. Oh, I do have enough paper, look. But I don't want to use that side. Not really. Find the value of n when he had received 3375 in total, and so determine John's age at this time. Bro, I have to solve the quadratic equation n squared plus 7n minus 450. That sucks. N squared plus 7n minus 450. And this is without a calculator, okay? Okay, what multiplies to 450 and adds to 7? I'm hungry, man. I should have brought more food, not gonna lie. What time is it? Okay. What multiplies to 450? Oh my. They literally gave the answer. So, I had to show that n squared plus 7 equals 25 times 18. Well, 25 and 18 are literally the factors of 450 that add up to get 7 if 18 is negative, sorry. So n can't be a negative number, so n equals 18 for part E. Okay. 1 question, 10, how many questions do you have? Oh, we only have 2 questions. Wait, we have 2 questions left. Okay. We have a line. Line is perpendicular. Perpendicular means negative reciprocal, which is minus 1 over the gradient of the other line. And then equation for L2. Giving your answer. Okay, so we have 2 points. Okay, point this is that, roll. Nice, alright, sick. Okay, so we have 2 points on L1. L1 is one of the lines. And then we need to work out the line equation of L1, we just need to work out the gradient first. Gradient is change in y over change in x, which is 5 over 3, and then we don't actually need L1, do we? No, we don't. Not at the moment, anyway. Yeah, we don't. Alright. Okay. So we can get the negative reciprocal of that. So m reciprocal or m tangent. No, m perpendicular is minus 1 divided by 5 over 3, which is minus 3 over 5. Okay, that's our gradient, and then we can use the line equation formula, which is y take away the line which is on L2, y take away 7 equals minus 3 over 5, x take away 3. So y equals, we need to do it in ax plus by plus c format, so multiply everything across. Alright, minus 5y plus 85 equals 3x minus 9, which gives us 3x plus 5y minus 44. Yeah. Equals 0. Okay, so our equation for L2 is 3x plus 5y minus 44 equals 0. Now we need to work out the exact coordinates of R. And to do that, we need to set y equals 0, because R is at the x-intercept. So setting y equals to 0, you get 3x minus 44 equals 0, x equals 44 over 3, what is that? That's not a real thing, is it? It's not, is it? I mean, it's not, you'll have to leave as a fraction. Wait, the exact coordinates. You'll have to leave as a fraction, bro. Surely. Unless I did something wrong. I hope I didn't. I hope I didn't. Yeah, that's 5 over 3 minus 3 over 5. Multiply that over... Oh, yeah, I did that right. Plus 35. Yeah, that should all be correct, man. Three x minus 3x 44 divided, let me just check. So 10, 4. No, 44 does not divide by 3. Oh well. We need to work out the exact area of the quadrilateral. ORQP. ORQP. That's a weird quadrilateral, man. I don't even know how to do that. Because it's not trapezium, it's a quadrilateral. Normally with quadrilateral, oh, it's a 5-mark question, which means you probably have to split up into 2 triangles. That's even more fun. Okay, I know how to do it. Split up into a trapezium and another triangle. So area of trapezium is half of side length, one of the smaller. I don't know how to explain it, bro. It's half of the 2 side lengths, which is 2 plus 7, and then all multiplied by the perpendicular height, which is 3. So 3 over 2 times 9 equals 27 over 2. And then area of triangle is 7 times, oh, where is it? 44 over 3. Oh, why do I have to do this, man? So the distance between R and Q in terms of x coordinate is 44 over 3. Take away. But what am I doing? Yeah, that should be right. Okay, I hope so. 44 over 3 take away 3 equals 44 take away 9, 35 over 3. So the area of the triangle is 35 over 3 base times height. What's the height? 7 times 7 times a half. But why does it have to be so complicated, man? It can't be. This has got to be so wrong. Can't be. I'll set it is in 20 minutes from now. Area of triangle. Okay, and I'll just multiply that out. 7 times 35. 210 plus 35, 245, all over 6. 245 all over 6, and then 27 over 2 times 3. That's just 3 to the power 4, 81. 81 over 6. Add them together. This can't be right, man. It can't be right. 326 over 6, which is 163 over 3, which is an integer number. No, it isn't. It's not an integer number. Oh well. Oh well. That's really weird. Why would they give such weird numbers in non-calculated paper, man? Who knows? 163 over 3, that's my final answer. Last question. We should be able to do it, okay. The curve C has equation y equals 2x Find dy of dx. Nice. I love differentiating. Well, okay. Dy of dx equals 8x squared plus 2kx plus 5. Okay, there's no plus c because we're not integrating. Okay, find the value of k. The tangent at P is parallel to the line with equation 2y minus 17x minus 1 equals 0. So, to get the gradient of that equation, you just rearrange for y. So, 2y equals 17x plus 1. So, y equals 17 over 2x plus 1 over 2. So, the gradient is 17 over 2. So, we know that dy, we have the equation for, or the formula for dy over dx. So, when x equals minus 2, substitute that into dy over dx, we get, let me just expand that now, equals 32 plus minus 4k plus 5 equals 17 over 2 equal 37 minus 4k equals 17 over 2. So 74 minus 8k equals 17. 8k equals 74 minus 17. What is 74? Okay, 64 minus 7. 64 minus 7, 57. No, please, I want to deal with these random numbers. Why am I getting these random numbers? Actually though, oh, why? I have to do 57 divided by 8. Come on. It's not possible, man. It's not possible. It's not possible. Okay, I did that wrong. Okay. I differentiated wrong. Thank God I spotted that now. Okay, 6x squared. So 6 times 4 is 24, not 32. So 24 plus 5 is 29. That gives us 58. 58 minus 17 is 41. Now I have to do 41 divided by 8. That still doesn't work out. (24 plus 5 is 29. 29 minus 7. 29. 58. Minus 8 at 8k. It's 41. K is 41 over 8. Sure, it can't be. Whatever. I don't see what I did wrong. Yeah. The value of the y coordinate is b. So cold, by the way. Oh my days. Okay. The value of the y coordinate b. So we have the original equation 2x cubed plus k, which is 41 over 8 x squared plus 5x plus 6. Substitute x into there, you get your value for y. It's gonna be so weird though. Minus 16 plus 41 over 2 plus minus 10 plus 6. That's so weird. Okay, minus 20 plus 41 over 2 equals minus 40 over 2 plus 41 over 2 minus 40 over 2 plus 41 over 2 is 1 over 2. So y equals 1 over 2. And then that gives you the last question, the equation of the tangent to CIP, giving you answer in the form. The equation of the tangent to CIP. So we have the, we already have the equation of the tangent. Oh, okay. So we have the gradient is m equals 17/2. So now we have the x and y coordinates. So we can do y take away 1/2 equals 17/2, x minus, or x plus 2. 2y minus 1 equals 17x plus 34. What format? 17x minus 2y plus 35 equals 0. Okay, time to check answers. Do we have time? We have roughly 10 minutes. I really want to check the last two. Yeah. Okay, I need to get my laptop out real quick. I don't need to stick. Okay. Oh, sorry, I moved the camera. I'm turning on my laptop at the moment. No, come on. I don't need Teams open, I don't need to connect to the printer, I don't need that either. I just want to look at the mark scheme. Oh, I do need Teams actually if I want to look at the mark scheme. Oh well. Oh well. Okay. Bruh. Oh wait, I can push the book like that. Cool. Okay, so I have. Wait, where's that? Practice paper. No, that's different. But where's the. I'm looking for the mark scheme for the AS paper I just did. Can you just give me it now? Oh, there should be the link to it. Okay, I found it. Well, I can literally just mark those two questions and I've got to pray also mark scheme. Okay, I have the mark scheme open. Okay, question 10. Yo, what is this? Okay, never mind. 10. Okay, what's the first mark is 5/3, yeah, that's the gradient that we got. Yeah, negative reciprocal, M1, 44/5. No, 44/3, sorry. And that, is that 5 or 3? I can't read the tiny writing. That's a 5. Nah, bro, it can't be. Wait, why did I get the correct answer then? Is the mark scheme wrong? I'm so confused, man. How can the mark scheme be correct and wrong at the same time? What do you mean C equals? What are you talking about? Oh, the y-intercept is 44/5. What did I do? Oh, I used that equation formula, whatever. Okay, yeah, I got 4 marks on that, M1. Okay, that's 5 marks, right? Where x equals 44/3, that's what we got. That's 2 more marks. They really use random numbers. M1. Yep, A1, F2. They split into a trapezium 2. D, M1, calculate those together. A1. Exact area. What's my area for the triangle? 81/6. Oh my days. The mark scheme is extensive. Yeah, nice. Okay, the final answer. I got the final answer. Let's go. Okay, that's weird. 163/3 is the final answer to a non-calculator paper. What are these guys thinking? Honestly, the hardest thing about this is working with fractions, man. Honestly, what are these people thinking? Anyways, what are they thinking? I don't know. Honestly, whatever. 35. Wait, I want to check. 35. 30. What time? How much time do I have left? Okay. Mark this last question. Come on. 11. Okay. Correct derivative. Yes, because I had to change it later on. That's 2 marks. Gradient of line 1702. Yeah. Substitute. That's M1. D M1A1. K equals 40. Why is the constant 41/8, bro? Why? Like, you can go into an exam, right? You think you're getting the questions wrong, and then it just turns out the answers to the questions are just really weird. Okay, C. M1A1. You get 1/2, yeah, M1. Okay, I've gone full marks so far, but I've only checked 2 questions, so can't get too happy yet. 17x minus 2y. Did I get this wrong? I shouldn't have. This is correct, but it's multiplied by -1, which should be fine. 17x minus 2y plus 35. Yeah, it should be fine. Nice. Right. Cool. Okay, that's the end of that. I still need to mark that later on. Well, so much stuff to do, man. Okay, anyways, I need to go play Asr now. You should never miss your salah. And then I have so much stuff to do. It's absolutely insane. But yeah, I'll probably be back in like 2 hours or so to do another video. Yeah, let's go. Because I like doing these videos, it makes me productive, I get work done, so yeah, it's good for me and maybe it's good for you too. So yeah, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I need to tidy up all of this stuff. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in a few hours for another one. Assalamu alaikum.